and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to create a really fun pink and holographic silver glitter acrylic nails. So I am using Heliothrope by Valentino, and this is called Excite Me by Valentino. And we're going to do a glitter silver holographic glitter tip. So it's going to be really, really pretty. Those are the little holographic silver flakes, and then I'm going to be using s&mnailcandi clear to encapsulate everything. So this is a really, really easy look, you guys, and they are super, super pretty in the end. I love the holographic silver glitters that I place on the tip. I believe I got those in a big pack from Michael's. So I do have full cover tips today, so I'm going to show you guys how to use acrylic over full cover tips. So I'm going into the Heliothrope color. I am picking up a bead. I'm waiting for it to completely saturate in that liquid, and sometimes draining your brush like this helps if it's not completely saturated in the liquid. And then I'm getting this onto the nail, and because I'm working with full cover tips, you guys, you can adhere them onto your nail with gel, with acrylic, with polygel. As long as you prep and prime your nails well, they can last you 2 to 3 weeks, and you can just infill them. So super, super easy. These are XXL nail tips that I got from AliExpress. And I just placed this first bead of the Valentino Heliotrop. This is a cover color. So I placed this on the middle of the nail, and then I'm going down here right below that, and then I'm just blending that bead into the other. Really, really easy. I'm using wetter beads here, and you guys can see I like to tap the brush until I see that the ball on the brush is completely shiny, and then that's when it's the perfect consistency to use. So I am leaving the tip kind of not fully covered with the color, because we are going to go in with that holographic silver glitter. So it doesn't matter if it's completely covered at the tip. You just want to make sure that the nail bed and until where you want the glitter fade to start, is covered. So I am also using the s&mnailcandi monomer, you guys. You guys can use my discount code easynails10 to get you 10% off. I'll also link it down below. And this is a low odor monomer, and I have been using it lately with the Chisel. Let me see exactly what it's called. I think it's called Chisel No Odor Nail Drops. And that combined with the S&M monomer, like I don't smell any acrylic at all. And actually my nails smell like cherries when I finish up with them. So really, really like that combo if you guys are interested. Here I believe I'm going in with the Excite Me color on the first finger. I think I'm going to do the first finger and the pinky finger with the Excite Me. Excite Me is like a semi-sheer fine glitter color from Valentino. I thought it was completely opaque. It's not. It has like a semi-opaque, semi-sheer, so kind of somewhere in between, but it's really, really pretty. So I'm putting this on the first nail here. I'm just building it up as I would like. And again, don't focus on that tip area, because we are going to be doing that silver holographic glitter. So when I do acrylic over full cover nails, I find it's easier to work in wetter, thinner beads. You don't want to bulk up the nail too much, because you're not going to be finish filing it here. So we don't want to bulk up the nail too much. So I'm just doing the same thing here to the pinky finger, again working in small beads, wetter beads than usual, and I am just filling in there at the nail bed, and then we are going to go in with the holographic silver glitter. All right, you guys, so to get these beautiful silver holographic glitters on our nails, I'm picking up a really small wet bead of that clear, placing it on my nail, and then I'm going in directly with my brush into that glitter, and then I'm just patting it on the nail. Super, super easy, and you can fade it as much or as little as you would like. Again, I'm just placing the glitters onto that wet acrylic that I placed onto the tip of my nail and fading it down. And you want to make sure that you press those glitters into that wet acrylic so that they lie flat. So you guys can see I'm doing that here. Super, super easy, super pretty. I absolutely love the way that these nails are turning out again. And then I'm just fading these down the nails as I would like. You can put as much or as little as you would like. And here I'm just making sure that it is lying flat into that acrylic. Make sure that you really press, especially when using chunky glitters. I think it's easier to press them into the acrylic. And then here, if you need a little bit more glitter, you can pick up a little bit more clear, a wetter bead, lay it down, go in with your brush, and the glitter just picks up right onto that brush, and then you pat it into the clear acrylic. So here I'm using another wet thin bead. These are all super, super thin. And I'm just encapsulating the tip because I built up the nail with that cover color from Valentino, the Heliotrop color. So I just, and I'm encapsulating the glitter part just to make sure that when I top coat, nothing is sticking out, everything is nice and smooth. And again, I did not finish file these, so I just worked in really, really thin wet beads, and it was super, super easy to do, and I didn't need to file or anything. So you can always file after if you need to. I just found that I didn't need to with these, so I'm just going in again with that clear just to cover up those glitters. You want to make sure that like nothing is sticking out, no glitters are popping out, everything is nice and covered. Oh, guys, with the pinky and pointer finger, I'm going to use this little tinsel glitter. This is from Mia Secret, I believe, and it's a little silver tinsel glitter. And I'm going to use that kind of like, it's called Diamond. Yep, it's from Mia Secret. And I'm going to do kind of like an X swooshy motion on those two nails that I put the Excite Me, the Shimmer Valentino color. So I'm kind of just doing like a swoopy motion with this on the pointer and the pinky finger, and I found it was super, super cute. It tied in the holographic silver really, really well. And I'm going to do this as well to the pinky finger. So you guys, I decided to apply a little bling design on the pointer finger and the pinky, and I used a builder gel, went over that with a no wipe top coat, and then I used these AB different shaped crystals that I got from Amazon, and then around those I put some AB crystals also from Amazon, and then in between sparse areas I just used little caviar beads and top coated everything, cured it in the lamp, and this is how these nails turned out. I absolutely love them. They are super glittery. I love the fade, and I love the bling application, and the holographic flakes are so, so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below, tell me if you liked it, and subscribe. Bye!